Welcome back to the AI.globally channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to create these types of AI images with your name for free. If you want any other type 3D images, just comment below and I will help you with this. Thanks for watching this video and visit the AI.globally channel for more content related to AI.